Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Android News Byte. Today, I wanted to highlight a report that talks about the Epic Games Store being pre-installed on Android devices within certain countries. Google has a history of making revenue-sharing deals with retailers and wireless carriers. Those deals have gotten the Mountain View tech giant into some trouble, as these contracts are now being used as examples in antitrust allegations against them. With those deals now being blocked, it's allowed for companies like Epic Games to pay to have their game store pre-installed on devices that are sold to the public. It's being reported that Epic has made a deal with Telefónica to have its game store application pre-installed on all compatible Android smartphones, including Samsung Galaxy devices. These devices will be sold in the UK, Spain, Germany, and Latin America with the O2 and Movistar wireless networks. Telefónica has a history with Epic, as the carrier has allowed customers to add Fortnite in-app purchases onto their monthly bill instead of having to use a credit card. Telefónica gets a 5% revenue share bonus from the agreement, and it's possible that a similar deal has been agreed to in order to get the Epic Games Store pre-installed on their phones. Although usually those deals involve a company paying a carrier or an OEM X amount of dollars for each new install. This is an interesting move from Epic, especially considering that Samsung is currently being sued by them, and now their devices will have an app from Epic pre-installed right out of the box. While many people will agree that Google's exclusivity agreements that keep other app stores off the phone violates antitrust laws in many countries, I suspect a large portion of the user base actually appreciates deals like that. Some people are worried that this will open up the floodgates and that will result in dozens of app stores being pre-installed on their device. Similar to what we currently see in the laptop and pre-built PC market. I just hope they bake in some new laws that require these pre-installed apps to be uninstalled easily without the need to use ADB commands or root access to delete them. I already have to uninstall or disable half a dozen or more apps after I activate a new phone or tablet, and can only imagine that this will be amplified in the future as these exclusivity deals continue to be shut down. But let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. I would be curious to learn if you're happy to see the Epic Games Store being pre-installed on phones, or if you would rather just sideload them when needed. And please, do not forget to like this video and also subscribe to the channel, as it really helps to motivate me into continuing to create content here on the channel.